With your tools? Show me your tools. What are you going to use?
Hammer.
Yeah? Is that where it's the slate floor? Is that where it's broke right there? You fixing it for Daddy? Maybe? What else? What other tools are you going to use?
Just a minute. Gonna cut it a little bit.
Oh, I think I heard your pager go off. Is someone calling you to a job? Did your pager go off?
No.
We better look at your pager and see if it went off. Didn't go off? Okay. Is it fixed?
Yep.
Oh, good job. Okay, stand up and put your tools away. Show Mommy your tools. Stand up.
Oh, I just forgot this.
What did you forget?
This.
What are you going to do with that?
Screw it with this screwdriver. First I'm gonna screw. I'm fixing it. I'm fixing. Screw, screw, screw.
Oh, someone's calling you to a job. You better stand up and put your tools away and get going.
Wait.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye, Katy.
Bye-bye. Mama.
Bye-bye, Handy Katy. Can you say bye to Mommy?
Okay. I'm all done. Mom, and this too.